Welcome to Diamonds Carpet Services, where you'll always receive professional planning and advice from a family-run business that's been established since 1982. We pride ourselves on the quality of service we provide, from initial inquiry through to measuring and fitting to our after-sales service. We guarantee to treat all our customers as individuals and exceed all their requirements. Our grand and gracious flooring includes beautiful carpets and vinyls, wooden floors, laminates and more. Call us today for more information.